warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm here to explain how to answer Toefl questions using skill 27. Listen for answers in order. This time the skill is similar to skill 22, I guess, if I remember that correctly. But in skill 22, what we listen is based on conversation. And in skill 27, it's based on the talk. So you're just gonna hop. There's still two methods here you can use. You can just listen to the talk, or you can follow along with the answers while you listen. Let's hop right into the questions. Okay, let's play the audio. We're gonna hear the audio first, then we're gonna answer.
Questions 1 through 5.
Listen to a talk
given by a professor.
Welcome to Biology 101. I'm Professor Martin, and this is your laboratory assistant, Peter Smith. This course meets twice a week for lecture and once a week for laboratory assignments. The text for this course is Introduction to Biological Sciences by Abramson. You should get the text and read the first chapter before the next class. You will also need to get the laboratory manual that accompanies the text. I've passed out a copy of the course syllabus. This syllabus lists the reading assignments and exam dates. Note that we will cover one chapter a week for each of the next 15 weeks in the semester, and there will be 3 exams throughout the course. Grades in this course are based on your exam grades and your grades on the laboratory assignments. Are there any questions?
Number 1.
When does this talk probably take place?
Okay, question number 1. When does it all take place? Where? Take place. When? Because the question is when, we're gonna find the answer using time, right? And based on the talk, it's the introduction to the biology, right? So it's probably the first day of class. It's C. The answer number 1 is C. Next, into the second question.
Number 2.
How often will Professor Martin give lectures?
Based on the question and based on the talk, what we just heard, Professor Martin will give us 2 times a week for lecture and once a week for the laboratory, right? So because the question is just only questioning about the lecturer, so we're gonna answer B, 2 times a week. That is all I can explain to you. You can answer the rest by yourself. And I'm sorry if there are any mistakes in my explanation. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.